Yo, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Kel, aka KQoJcK, back at it again. We got another unboxing. Y'all already know it is All-Star Weekend. Had to come out with some fire. Got one more thing coming for y'all real soon. Them ones, I almost took that L, but y'all gonna see a fire-ass review coming for them. But today, we got them 3 things. Y'all don't know which ones yet, but shouts out to my boys over at Hibbett Sports. You know, they got me right. I slept on them. I thought they wasn't gonna sell out, you know. Thought they wasn't gonna sell out or nothing. So I'm playing around. Whoop. There you go. They sold out on Nike, babe. So had to hit up Hibbett Sports. Always coming through clutch, especially whenever I believe I miss it online. But I'm gonna start having to do some raffles there now on. But enough of me talking and rambling on. Let's get into this. We got this box right here. That Jordan 3. You can tell elephant print all the way around. Got nice elephant paper. You already know, little elephant paper. And boom, we got these things right here. This leather is so it's better than the leather on the 3s that you did last year on them True Blues. I got them right here somewhere, but these was a must cop. Glad to finally say I have my grail. I was gonna buy the older pair. I'm glad I waited out, you know. Long time waiting for these right here. Quality pretty good on them and all too. Honestly, if you ask me, I would say this best thing that came out All-Star Weekend, just because of the fact of how legendary they are. These things are so legendary. You can wear them with any fit, anywhere, any time of the year, man. These things gonna do it. Now enough of me rambling and stuff. We're gonna have to hit you with this on feet, so you go ahead and see how these things look laced up with a few different jeans. But hold on, that ain't alright. So we got that Nike Air back here. You got the Nike all the way down here at the bottom. Jumpman on the tongue. And of course, once you open it up, you got that Nike Air right here on the insole. Can't get enough, boy. I really wish I could have doubled up on these, but you know, one is better than none if you ask me. But you know, if any of you guys looking to cop any kicks, I got a lot of stuff that's for sale for the low. Just inbox me on IG at KQoJcK. Watch my collection vid. Inbox me on what you're interested in, and I'll hit you back with a price, size, and condition, and all those other great things for you. You guys, thanks for checking in. Catch you on the next one. Deuces.
ATM. Trap Johnson, man. SSO, 50 grand. Ivy League. Yeah.
She wanna party. We in the party. She on her body. She off of Molly. She tryna party. I told her pardon. Told her to pop it. We in the party. She wanna party. She popped a Molly. Asked if she wanna party. Told the little bitch to come top me. Sit in the back of the Rari. Smoking this green like Safari. Don't play no games like Atari. Throwing these hits like I'm sparring. 300 bullets, no Spartan. Running with matches, I'm sparking. Dog steady barking. Serving this shit out apartments. Get it from different compartments. Dodging the cops from departments. Your reputation is tarnished. Walking your ass with a harness. Dogging your ass with a leash. You know I'm a beast. You know you can't copy the flow. Pillow talking to these hoes. Pussy, you can catch a cold. Killers leave a runny nose. Like some paper, you a fold. Young nigga out the O. Blowing shit like a coach. Catch a body like a rope. Catch a bullet to the spleen. Hair trigger with a beam. Stanley letting off some steam. Burn a nigga like a seam. Serve a nigga like a fiend. Life ain't really what it seems. You ain't really getting cream. Nigga tryna taste a dream. Rack 'em like I'm playing pool. Remember serving at the school. Know I had to keep